Hello guys, today I will show you how to check in on American Airlines application. So this process is quick, simple and can be done right from your phone. First, make sure you have the American Airlines application installed on your phone. Open the application and log in using your A-Advantage account information. If you don't have an account, you can create one in the application. Once you're logged in, you will see a dashboard that will look something like this. Here, what you'll have to do is click on this Find Trip option at the bottom mid. Now, you will see three fields. So these fields are first name, last name and ticket or credit number. That is your confirmation code for your ticket. If your flight will be within 24 hours of departure, the option to check in will appear after you log in with your credentials. Next, simply tap the check-in button next to your upcoming flight. The app will guide you through the process, confirming your personal details like your name, seat selection, and any baggage you want to check in. Make sure all your personal details are correct and add any checked bag if needed. You can also modify your seat selection at this point if necessary. Once everything looks good, confirm your check-in. You will receive your mobile boarding pass directly within the application, which you can use at security and when boarding your flight. And to view your boarding pass, simply navigate to the boarding pass section in your mobile application, and you can also add it to your phone's wallet for quick access to the airport. And that's how you check in on American Airlines application. It's fast, easy, and saves you time at the airport. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, and thanks for watching.